Hello friends, welcome back to another important video. So today we are going to explore about the types of electric motors. So let's talk about it without wasting much time. So the electric motors are the devices that converts the electrical energy into the mechanical energy, and they are used in a wide range of applications from household applications to the industrial machinery applications. So there are several types of electric motors are seen, each with its own unique characteristics and its applications. If we talk about the types of electric motor, it is categorized into three parts. One is AC motor, and second one is DC motor, and the third one is special type of motors. AC motors uses the alternating current to produce the rotation, and they are widely used in applications such as industrial, commercial, as well as in the residential purpose. And AC motors are further divided into two types, that is induction and the synchronous AC motor. And the DC motors uses the direct current to produce the rotation, and they are simple, reliable, and inexpensive in nature. And these motors are commonly used in applications such as automotive, industrial, as well as in robotics. We are using the DC motors. The last one, that is a special type of motors. So these motors are designed for specific applications and have a special operating capability. For example, stepper motors, servo motors, VLDC, that is brushless DC motors, and etc. So these are the types of electric motor.